Hello viewers, in this video I will be teaching how to create color splash effect using Photoshop. So, let's start. First open your image into Photoshop. Double-click on the image layer and click OK to unlock the layer. Now, go to Select, Color Range and then click on the color that you want to retain as it is in the image. Adjust the slider at 90 to 100. Now, select the Quick Selection tool, then make a proper selection of the cloth. Make sure the selection is very precise for better results. Deselect all the extra parts. Now, right-click and click on Select Inverse option. Go to Image, Adjustment, Black and White. Here you can adjust the saturation levels of all colors to make it look more dramatic. Press Ctrl+D to deselect everything. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.